How often do you is used to ask someone how many times per week, per month, per year, etc. someone does something or something happens. Examples: how often do you go to the gym? How often do you eat out with your family? How often do you travel abroad? How often do you go to the dentist? How often do you give your dogs a bath? How often do you clean your house? How often do you go grocery shopping? How often do you have your car washed? How often do you take your medicine? How often do you and your boyfriend go on a date?